Hey friends in label printing and self-adhesive processing, tired of low efficiency and poor die cutting accuracy for small orders? This intermittent die cutting machine is built to solve these problems. It features full servo drive with high precision registration system, ensuring accurate and stable die cutting for coated paper, film and various self-adhesive materials. It supports both intermittent and full rotary mode, easy to set dimensions on the touch screen, simple to operate and master quickly. The machine integrates feeding web guide, waste stripping and slitting, runs smoothly with low noise. Great Lie improves productivity and reduces material waste. Suitable for small to large batches. Simple operation, stable and durable. Ideal for label post-printing processing. For more details, please feel free to contact us.